See, in continuation to what we have learned today in the class, let us see how to apply this concept of significant rules when we are doing adding, subtracting, multiplying or dividing multiple numbers, like a regular expression. Although there are no hard and fast rules that you have to follow that, it has to be little bit with common sense also, like we have to do. But some basic rules we can follow. Let us see some examples. See the first example: 34.01 plus 7.893 plus 400.02. So we have to give an answer which follows the minimum significant numbers. If you see the first one, it has got 4 significant numbers. Second one also 4. Third one has got 5. So the minimum of these 3 is 4. So my answer should have minimum significant digits 4. It should not be 1 or 2 or 3. So if you add, actually maybe in a calculator you will get 441.923, but I want an answer which has got significant numbers 4 in an answer. So what will be my answer? 441.9. It has got significant numbers 4. Okay. Next, 100.04 minus 12.385 minus 14.01 minus 3.08. The first number has 5, second also 5, third 4, fourth 3. So the minimum is 3. So my answer should have minimum 3 significant numbers. So if you actually add, you get 70.565. But because it should have minimum 3, you can say that it is 70.5. Okay. So suppose they say that it should be rounded off also. So you can say 70.6 is the answer. Okay. But normally 70.5 is written. Now here no rounding off should be done. Rounding off should be done only in the end, not in the in-between process. Let us see a division. 14.785 divided by 2.04. The numerator has 5 and the denominator has 3 significant numbers. So if you do this using a calculator, you get this much: 7.24754902. What is this? It's more accurate, more accurate answer. Now the denominator has 3 significant numbers and the numerator has 5. So I would presume that my answer should have at least 3 significant numbers. So 7.24 I would pick. After rounding off, if they say, you can say 7.25 because it is 247. So the rounding off rule is after 5 you can take it as the next number. Below 5 you can take it as the same number. What do I mean by that? Suppose 7.248 is there, you can round it as 7.25. Suppose 7.243 is there, you should round it as 7.24 only. Okay. Let's move to the next one. It's a little tricky. 14.78 divided by 2.4834 plus 409.78 divided by 2.3 minus 17.89 divided by 3.84. Now here you see the first numbers. Numerator is 4, denominator is 5. Significant numbers. So minimum is 4. Second, numerator is 5, denominator is 2. So minimum is 2. And in the third one, numerator has got 4, denominator has got 3, so the minimum is 3. Now if you see, you solve the first one, you calculate, you get because I am saying that 4 significant numbers at least should be there, so I have put 5.951. But when it comes to second one, if you do the actual calculation, you get 178.16. Now by applying the minimum rule, I am saying that it should have only 2 significant digits. So I cannot put 17 as the answer, because 178 and 17 are nowhere near also. Okay. See, we are trying to significant numbers means it should be very close to the actual answer. Just by putting some significant digits rule, we should not deviate from the real answer. So here it's a typical case. So we should try to keep the significant numbers at least 4 or 5. That is a judgment we have to take. So the first number we have taken 4, the second number also I am taking as 4 digits. Even though by minimum concept I am getting 2, I am taking 4 because the first one also at least I have taken 4 digits, significant numbers. So 178.1 I am taking. This has got 4 significant numbers. I am violating this. Now the third one, 4.65. Okay. Actual answer for the third one, 17.89 by 3.84 is 4.6588. But I am keeping only 3 significant digits. So if you calculate this, you get 179.4. So in the final answer I have taken 4 digits. So here there are 4, 2 and 3. So either I should take 4 or 3 but not 2, because it gives me an absurd answer. If I take 2, I should put an answer here 17 or 18, but because if I take 17, then only it has got 2 digits, 2 significant digits, but it is nowhere near the real answer. So I cannot take 2, either I have to take 3 or 4. If I take 3, I get 179. If I take 4, little bit more precise. If you do the actual calculation of this using a calculator, you get 179.457, and see the answer here, they are pretty close, more logical. So I should not end up with some answer, I am getting 175 and 179 here, and following simply some rules of significant digits, I should not write 18 is my answer. It's nowhere acceptable. Okay. So in the end, what I am trying to say is there are no hard and fast rules, but depending upon the calculation, we have to take a judgment. Usually in the numerator, if there are 5, in the denominator 4, the gap will be only 1 or maximum 2, not like here where it is 5 and here it is only 2. This much gap will not be there. Okay.